I have made a tiny list of 4 books. These books are guaranteed to make you feel good. And these books are like a warm hug. These are in no particular order. So the first book is Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine, written by Gail Honeyman. Eleanor Oliphant is one of the best characters I have read about. She is an introvert, she is a social misfit, and she has had a traumatic past. She works in an office and she's trying to navigate life in her own way. And this book is about how she does it and how she does it with so much of resilience and hope. So go read it and come back and thank me later. Eleanor Oliphant is Completely Fine, written by Gail Honeyman. The second book is Major Pettigrew's Last Stand, written by Helen Simonson. This is Helen Simonson's debut novel, and it is about a retired army major, Major Ernest Pettigrew, living in a small village in England. He is a widower and he meets Mrs. Ali, who is a Pakistani shopkeeper. And this is about the interaction of these two people and everything that happens around them. There are prejudices from people in the village. And not only that, there is also the prejudice that both of them have within each other. And this book shows that you can evolve as a person no matter how old you are. This is about companionship and how beautiful life can be when the right people are together. Major Pettigrew's Last Stand, written by Helen Simonson. The next book is Welcome to the Hinam Dong Bookshop, written by Hoang Bo Rem. Amazing book, okay? And this is something that you will enjoy reading. This is about a young girl in her 20s who is facing a burnout due to the pressures in her life and due to a heartbreak. This is set in Korea. So she decides to go to a random province and start a bookshop. And initially she's very, very unsuccessful because she does not know anything about it. She just sits and mopes in her shop. People just wander in and out. She's not interested. But slowly she starts meeting people, those who come in search of work or those who are coming to search for particular kinds of books, and how she changes and how those people also change. And she gradually forms a community of people who are looking for companionship and a solution to their problems. Brilliant book, you should read it. So Welcome to the Hinam Dong Bookshop, written by Hoang Bo Rem, is the third book. Now we move on to the last book in the series, and it is The Guernsey Literary and Potato Peel Pie Society. It's one of the longest titles I've come across, which is written by Annie Barrows and Marianne Schiffer. This is a historical novel. It is an epistolary novel, which means it is in the form of letters that two characters write to each other. This is set in the times of the World War II, when there is an island, place called Guernsey in the Channel Islands of England, and the Germans had occupied it during that time. And a band of villagers who had met during curfew, so they are breaking curfew, and they get caught by a German patrol. These are ordinary people, okay? So they get caught by this patrol, and suddenly they come up with this idea that they were part of a book club. So the name of the book club itself just pops up from each one of them, these words. So they end up saying that it is the Guernsey Literary and Potato Peel Pie Society. And how an author in England starts writing to one of them, and through this correspondence we get to know about the people on that island, their lives, and the author ends up coming there. It's a beautiful novel, and it'll leave you feeling good and it'll leave you feeling happy. It's about books. In fact, 2 of these books are about books, the Hinam Dong Bookshop and the Guernsey Literary and Potato Peel Pie Society. So these are the 4 books that I wanted to talk to you about. Do go read them. It'll make you feel good, to make you feel that, life can be good, and it'll make you feel as though you are enveloped in a warm hug. So that's it for today. Till we meet again for the next book video. You guys stay safe, take care, keep reading. Bye-bye.